Having a lazy day at home and looking for something to cook, today's recipe is the perfect solution. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. So, let's get going with a one-pot South Indian meal called Rasam Sadam. Heat about 1.5 tablespoons of oil in the pressure cooker, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 dry red chillies. You can use any kind that you have at home. Once the mustard seeds start to splutter, add in 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida and a few curry leaves. Next add in 4 to 5 garlic pounded. Give it a mix. Add in 2 tomatoes finely chopped. Cook the tomatoes for about 2 to 3 minutes. Also add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of Rasam powder, After cooking the tomatoes for 2 to 3 minutes, let's add in half a cup of rice that I've washed and soaked for about 15 minutes. Next add in 1/4 cup of Toor Dal that I've also washed and soaked for 15 minutes. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of Moong Dal, again washed and soaked for 15 minutes. Mix all these ingredients properly. Add in 2.5 cups of water. Salt to taste. 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp. Give this a good mix. Once the water comes to a boil, cover it with the lid and let it cook for about 4 whistles on high flame. The rice is nicely cooked and 4 whistles are up, so I'm going to let the pressure cooker cool down. While that's happening, I'm going to quickly make something to serve this with. Ideally, Rasam Sadam should be served with any kind of a potato bhaji or a sabzi, but I'm going to use some South Indian shallots, or you can call them pearl onions, and make a nice stir fry with them and serve it with that. So let's see how to make that. Heat a tablespoon of oil. Into that add in 1 tablespoon of urad dal or white lentils. Let's add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the urad dal turns brown, I'm going to add in a few curry leaves. Next add in 1 cup of baby shallots or pearl onions. Toss them and let them cook for at least 2 minutes. Also add in a little bit of salt. Give this a good mix and let them cook. Let the onion cook for about 2 minutes. They just need to be slightly softened and not completely soft or mushy. Next I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix all these ingredients properly. The spiced onions are ready, and now it's time to open the pressure cooker. This is beautifully cooked. Give it a stir. It's a nice tangy rasam flavored khichdi. Let's add in a little bit of coriander leaves and give it a mix. This is nutritious, wholesome and definitely amazing in taste. Don't believe me? Try it yourself and do let me know in the comment section below. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.